Hello and welcome to Vintage Nook. We're so happy you're here. In today's video, we'll explore mindful decorating and how to achieve timeless elegance without clutter, making your home easier to clean and more peaceful to live in. You'll discover simple, intentional design ideas that balance beauty and practicality. So get comfortable, relax, and enjoy this inspiring journey toward a calmer, more elegant home with us. Mindful decorating begins with choosing fewer, meaningful pieces that tell a story. Instead of filling every surface, allow space to breathe and highlight craftsmanship. This approach creates calm elegance, reduces visual noise, and makes daily cleaning faster, simpler, and more satisfying for a relaxed, intentional home filled with clarity daily. Elegance Without Clutter relies on intentional placement and restraint. Select decor that serves both beauty and purpose, such as sculptural bowls or refined storage. When everything has a home, surfaces stay clear, dust has nowhere to hide, and maintenance becomes effortless, supporting a peaceful lifestyle for mindful modern living daily. Neutral color palettes are essential for mindful decorating, creating harmony while reducing visual chaos. Soft whites, warm beiges, and muted grays reflect light beautifully and feel timeless. With fewer bold contrasts, rooms appear larger, calmer, and easier to maintain, especially when coordinating furniture, textiles, and walls throughout the entire home. By limiting your palette, decorating decisions become simpler and more cohesive. Cleaning also benefits as neutral tones disguise minor dust between routines. The result is a refined interior that feels intentional rather than busy, allowing you to focus on quality materials, subtle textures, and mindful living with lasting visual serenity. Furniture with clean lines supports elegance without excess. Choose pieces that feel light visually, avoiding heavy ornamentation. Slim profiles, raised legs, and simple silhouettes allow floors to remain visible, making rooms feel open. This design choice not only enhances beauty but also simplifies sweeping and vacuuming routines throughout the home. When furniture breathes, the entire space feels calmer and more intentional. Fewer bulky items mean fewer obstacles when cleaning, saving time and effort. Mindful selection ensures each piece earns its place, combining comfort, function, and aesthetic value while maintaining a sense of spaciousness and refined simplicity for everyday mindful living. Hidden storage is a cornerstone of clutter-free elegance. Cabinets, ottomans, and benches with concealed compartments keep necessities out of sight. By storing items intentionally, surfaces remain clean and restful. This approach enhances visual harmony while dramatically reducing the time needed for daily tidying and deep cleaning sessions at home. Mindful decorators prioritize storage that blends seamlessly with design. When storage feels beautiful, it encourages consistent organization habits. Everything returned to its place means less visual stress and easier cleaning. Over time, this discipline supports a home that feels effortlessly elegant, balanced, and welcoming every single day with calm order. Decorating with intention means editing accessories regularly. Display only a few cherished objects rather than many small trinkets. This restraint allows each piece to stand out and reduces dust collecting areas. Fewer items on shelves and tables make wiping surfaces quicker, preserving elegance while supporting a cleaner, calmer home environment. Curated accessories tell a clearer story and feel more luxurious. Mindful choices help avoid visual overload and constant rearranging. When decor feels intentional, cleaning becomes a simple routine rather than a chore. This balance encourages enjoyment of your space, allowing beauty, order, and practicality to coexist naturally with daily ease. Natural materials bring warmth without visual clutter. Wood, linen, stone, and ceramic age beautifully and require minimal ornamentation. Their textures provide interest without excess decoration. Because they pair well together, fewer decorative layers are needed, resulting in a calm, cohesive interior that is easier to clean and maintain long-term. Mindful decorating celebrates authenticity over excess. Natural finishes hide minor wear and dust better than glossy surfaces, reducing constant upkeep. Choosing honest materials supports sustainability and simplicity. Over time, these elements create a serene atmosphere that feels grounded, elegant, and easy to live with every day in your beautiful home. Lighting plays a powerful role in creating uncluttered elegance. Instead of many small lamps, choose a few well-placed fixtures. Good lighting highlights key areas and reduces the need for excessive decor. A thoughtfully lit room feels intentional, spacious, and refined while remaining practical for daily tasks and cleaning routines. Mindful lighting design also simplifies maintenance. Fewer fixtures mean fewer surfaces collecting dust. By focusing on quality lighting, you enhance mood and functionality simultaneously. The result is a calm environment where elegance comes from clarity, balance, and thoughtful choices rather than visual overload or unnecessary decoration in everyday living spaces. Mindful decorating embraces negative space as a design element. Empty areas allow the eye to rest and highlight what truly matters. Rather than feeling unfinished, well-planned openness creates sophistication. Fewer items also mean fewer surfaces to clean, making the home easier to maintain while feeling airy, balanced, and intentional. By resisting the urge to fill every corner, you cultivate restraint and elegance. Cleaning becomes faster when space is respected. Negative space supports mental clarity and visual calm, reinforcing mindful living. This approach transforms rooms into peaceful retreats where simplicity enhances beauty, comfort, and everyday functionality for modern mindful homes. Textiles should be chosen thoughtfully to avoid excess layering. Select high-quality curtains, rugs, and cushions that stand alone beautifully. Limiting patterns and colors keeps rooms calm and cohesive. With fewer fabric elements, dust accumulation decreases, making laundering and vacuuming more manageable while preserving a refined, elegant atmosphere throughout home. Mindful textile choices also enhance comfort without visual noise. Natural fabrics age gracefully and feel inviting. By investing in fewer, better pieces, your home remains polished and practical. This balance supports effortless cleaning routines and ensures elegance feels lived in, relaxed, and sustainable rather than delicate or demanding over time. Mindful decorating ultimately focuses on intention, not perfection. By slowing down and choosing less, you create a home that supports your lifestyle. Elegance emerges from clarity and purpose rather than excess. This philosophy reduces clutter, simplifies cleaning, and fosters a peaceful environment where daily living feels lighter and more enjoyable. For your vintage nook, mindful decorating tells a timeless story of elegance and ease. Each thoughtful choice contributes to beauty and practicality. By embracing simplicity, you design spaces that are easy to clean and a joy to live in. True sophistication lies in balance, intention, and mindful restraint every day. Thank you so much for spending your time with Vintage Nook today. We hope these mindful decorating ideas inspired you to create an elegant, clutter-free home that's easy to maintain and a joy to live in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more timeless home inspiration, and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.